Ang Oslo Flight Site nagpahigayon og usa ka international paragliding festival competition. Mao kini ang gitawag nga accuracy landing. Daghan ang participant nga ni abot nga mga foreign sama sa Switzerland, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Germany ug kining sikbit nato nga nasod mao ang Malaysia nga usa sa powerhouse ug muisgotag paragliding sa Southeast Asia. So ang maong palumba gitawag nga accuracy landing gisanksyon kini sa organizer ngadto sa FEI mao kanay kapunungan sa international o sa world ranking. So lagi kay international man FEI sanction nagimbita ang organizer og usapod ka international judge nga nagikan pod sa Malaysia. Usa kini siya ka respetado nga judge, usa ka babae. Siya maoy naggiya sa mga pilot sa rules and guidelines about sa accuracy landing.
Competition today, window starts at 9, we finish flying at 12, normal flying for the competition at 12. Lunch will be prepared at 12, and then tentatively we will start the side event from 1 p.m. until 4 p.m.
Iyang kauban mao ang Met Director og sa uban pa sa yanong pulong og sa laing lumba race director na siya mao si Mr. Boko.
Two categories, which is the
Highest flight,
highest
longest.
and longest. So we, as in the announcement board, prepare your trackers and your varios if you want to participate.
Sa Malaysia ang corona or sila ang giproklamar nga namahimong kampiyon sa gipahigayon nga paragliding festival. Silang pamunuan, silang duha gyud ang maoy namuno ani aron mapahigayon ang kining padua diha sa Uslob. So makita nato sa unang round dikit kayo ang score sa Team Philippines or Team OCPD Philippines ug ang Malaysian team. Sikit kayo ang ilang score hangtod nga niabot sa pilagyod ka round unya nakuha gyud sikit gyud unta ang ilang score ug nahuman pa lang ang fifth round dakog puruhan nga mailog sa Team OCPD Philippines ang corona kay sa fifth round sa unang lupad sa Philippine team nindot ang iyang landing is almost perfect. Mautoy nakahatag nga naglead na siya apan lagi kay tungod sa mubo ng oras naabtan sa cut-off time ang fifth round. So wala makwenta. Sayang gid unta makuha na gid unta nila ang corona pero lagi kay sanction man sa international if cut-off time cut-off gyud. So wala siya makwenta ang fifth round. So nagpabilin nga gidominar gyud sa Malaysian team ang maong padua. First og second ilagi kining gikuha niya ang ikatulong pwesto diha pa ang nakuha sa atong Philippine team nga si John Ray Caban. Kumbate gyud ang ilang score. Unya humani ana atong nahinabi kining international judge nga si Shakira Asman nga ato siyang gipangutana og unsay masulti niya kabahin sa Oslo Flight Site og tandi nato sa ubang mga flight site nga iyang nasaksihan og nakapahigayon man siya sa pag-judge. Mao ni ang mga pamahayag ni international judge Shakira Asman.
Shakira, good day.
Good day.
How was your experience here in Cebu?
Wow. That sums up a lot. In Cebu, I believe it is among the best so far. The people, the place, even the food, it's nice. I really like my time here. I really enjoy myself being here. Since it's my first time also being in Cebu, it's like a dream come true. It's like one location ticked off my list.
Wow.
So yes.
Okay, then as chief judge,
Yes.
your assessment, the Cebu, the Uslup flight site has been given a chance that now is having an international. How do you assess the flight site?
The flying site. First of all, the flying site is not as simple as I thought. Yes. So initially in my head, okay, this is going to be an easy competition, easy flight. Beginners can fly, but no, I was wrong. So the flying site here, I believe it's just nice.
Okay.
It is not too easy, and it is also not too difficult. So it has a balance of technical flight and also easy flight. So for me, this is a good place to fly. Seriously, it is a good place to
Okay,
fly.
because you've been a lot of places judging.
Yes,
then
yes.
You can compare the Oslo flight site.
I like here because the facilities provided here at the takeoff area. It is a beautifully designed place. We have a shade, we have a place to eat, there's restroom, clean restroom available. So places for pilots to rest. So yes, for me, it is worth the trip coming here at this flying site in Oslo.
Sa maong duwa paghuman yun, mapasalamaton ta kay successful man gyud ang paduwa. Nagpasalamat ang organizer ngadto sa probensya sa Sugbo, sa DOT, ilabi na sa direktor nga niabot gyud.
Maayong hapon, good afternoon everyone, and mabuhay. We are here in Oslo and we are very happy to tell you nga ato ang event diri is very successful. Oslo Paragliding International Festival. Yes, so all of this, the successful turnout of the event is because of the community of pilots here in Oslo, led by OCPD, Mr. Tito Rendon, and of course ato ang Visayas Paragliding Club, by our friend Ipos Falcone. So would like to highlight na there is a thriving community of paragliders, pilots here in Oslo, and to me this is a gift for Cebu because being an international destination already, it completes its portfolio, its offering. So somehow, as an international destination, it's part of the expectations that we also offer extreme sports events such as paragliding. I'd also like to highlight that this is good news for Oslo because it's not just, the pre-existing nato nga offering together with the whale sharks known ang Oslo, but also this time with paragliding being added to this very rich offering for our visitors, both local and international visitors. This allows us to promote, develop further municipality of Oslo as a destination. So with that, congratulations OCPD and Paragliding Visayas Club of Cebu.
Nitambong sa katapusang yugto sa maong paduwa. Ilabi na gyud. Nagpasalamat ang organizer ngadto yun nagpasalamat ang organizer ngadto sa lungsod sa Oslo, labi na sa ilang mayor og sa tourism nila nga dako gyud ang suporta nila nga nagmalampuson ang maong padawa. So sa atong mga higalahan nga mahiligon aning paragliding, bisitahan ninyo ang Oslo flight site kay nindot kini. Perfect kini o gusto nyo mukat-on adto mo kay anaaray mga instructor ngadto. Daghang salamat. Kini ang inyong higala, Alan the Explorer.